One of the major capital improvement projects the town currently has underway is the renovation of Jupiter Community Park. With us today is Kristen George, the town's Director of Recreation, to tell us more about the project and why it's so important. Kristen, can you tell us more about why Jupiter Community Park is so significant for our town?
Jupiter Community Park for the past 31 years has served as the hub of sports here in the town of Jupiter for our residents. And we serve hundreds of thousands of people every year, from children all the way up through senior citizens and various sports that we offer here at the park.
And why was the project of renovating the park identified as one of importance for the town?
At 31 years old, aside from the addition of some multi-purpose fields throughout the years, there really have not been any major renovation projects for the park. So there are some aging infrastructure projects that would need to be completed here at the park. So this is the time to address that.
And work has begun on replacing the sports lighting in the park. Can you tell us more about that project and why it's being done?
Sure. The sports that take place here at Jupiter Community Park have evolved throughout the years, and we are bringing the level of lighting up to that standard at this point. So this major LED project that we're doing on the park is going to light all of the parking lot lights as well as the sports fields. So those that use the fields will see less glare, less spillover. The residential neighborhoods will see less light that will impact their neighborhoods as well. And overall, it will present a cost savings for the town as well.
I know a future part of the project is converting some tennis courts over into pickleball courts. Why was that something the town identified they wanted to move forward with?
The town recognizes that the sport of pickleball has grown exponentially over the past 5 years, and we need to see some dedicated outdoor pickleball courts. So we will be constructing 8 new pickleball courts on the existing 3 tennis courts here that will be lit and open to the public throughout the year.
Are there any other parts of the renovation project that you think have great significance that you'd like to mention?
Yes, we will be doing some renovations and overhauling of our dugouts on the softball and baseball fields, also to our restrooms. We'll be doing some drainage projects that will help with drainage when it rains on the fields. Also, we'll be replacing all of the diamond rail fencing throughout the park, and also some sidewalk improvements.
The renovations at Jupiter Community Park began in early April and will continue over the course of the next couple of years. To learn more about the project and the current work that's being done, visit our website at www.jupiter.fl.us/JCP Renovations.